In this lesson, we will learn how to draw our desired shapes using pen tool. By using pen tool, we can either draw a color-filled shape or an outline path. To fill color into an outline path, now choose Fill with Foreground Color option from the Paths palette. To make a path into a selection that is drawn by the pen tool, click on the Load Path as Selection option. We can again change a selection back to a path by clicking on the Make Work Path option. While using a pen tool, we can get the desired shape by moving or bending the anchor handles. To make any changes to the shape, we can select the required option from the pen tool set. Those are Add Anchor Point, Delete Anchor Point, or Convert Point tool.